Good morning, Rajesh.
Good morning, all. Thank you. So, how many of you are set up your Nagios server?
I have set up Rajesh.
Okay, it's
Me
working
also
fine.
done.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. So, let me share my screen. From here onwards, we need to do other configuration. This is a little bit tough configuration, but don't worry. So, once you join the company, the people will give you the installation configuration document. Based on that, you can follow that and you can set up your environment. So just we can explore the knowledge here. Okay. In the step number one, so we have fully deployed the Nagios core installation and configuration set up on Ubuntu 20.04 server. Okay. Now going to the second step, install Nagios plugins. So here, if you want to download the Nagios core plugins, so this is a website where you can go to download the plugins here. Okay. Always the latest plugins will be available in the top view of the screen. And here, this is the FTP server page. You can take the any plugins based on your requirement and you can install it on the system. So now coming back here. So now in this document, if you go to the CD location, wget, this is the address where you need to copy. How this address you need to take it, and I'll clearly explain in this video. You can please check this. So as per the document which is given by Walter, Walter is actually the one kind of um, technical website and as well as a company which is providing the uh, rental based servers. Okay, rental based servers. Online you can take it. The bare metal servers we can take it. In this document, they'll provide the 2.3.3, 2.3.3, the .zip file is there. So this is the one, 2.3.3. This one, they have installed it. Okay. So the 2.7 MB file is there. You can download it. But the latest one is a 2.4.6 is there. Okay. So your wish, even 2.3.3, if you are selecting, not an issue. If you're selecting 2.4.6, if you're selecting, no issues for you. Okay. Let's go to Amazon EC2. Amazon EC2. And you can check the server is online or offline. Now, this is the server. Copy the public IP address. Ubuntu. Done. Next step is as per the document to go to the particular location. So right now, if you check that location, I'm currently in this location here. If you type ls, This is the one. Suppose if you run this command, what you'll get? Huh? What you'll get? Check that PWD. I'm into the same screen only. No problem. CD space. If you're giving this, no changes at all. You are in the same location. Okay. Now I'm going to use this command called wget, and this path how you need to copy, I'll show you. Suppose the latest version 2.4.6, if you want to do that, first of all, you can right click and open a new window. If you're opening the new window, automatically this file will get downloaded. So what you need to do, just cancel it, just copy the link and you can take it. And now you can please go here, okay, and type wget space and give the address. That's it. Very simple method. Okay. Open the file which is showing in the size like a MB level. That right click and open a new window, you can take it. Otherwise, if you want directly copy the link, so there is an option called just right click copy link address. If you paste here, the same address you will get it. Done. Next, hit enter. Now the file is downloaded into the current location. If you type ls, you will get this zip file here in the same location. So what they're suggesting the next step is with the sudo command, this particular zip file will be unzipping. So now can do the one thing, you can copy up to here the command, then you can go here and paste it. Then next Nagios plugins, this address you need to type, hit enter. Now the packages all are unzipped. Now can find out the separate folder is available after unzip this. Okay, type ls. You can get the separate a directory with the name 2.4.6. Okay, 2.4.6 is there. What we need to do, cd space and this particular location, sorry, directory you need to select it. Now successfully I move to Nagios plugins 2.4.6 directory. Now can clear the screen. Now go here and you can check the run the plugin configuration script. So here in this particular directory, there is some configuration scripts are available that you can check here. There is a folder name called configure. You can check this any name. It is shown as a configure. Yes, yes, it is there. Now what we need to do, directly you can copy the command. You don't want to make any changes here. Directly you can put this command. Done. So what is this? Run the plugin configuration script. Now I'm installing the plugins, okay, for the Nagios. The latest, what are the plugins are there, automatically you can install. Okay, regular period of time of quarterly once or maybe monthly, they're not there. Quarterly once you need to check the any updates are there. You need to install it. Successfully completed this step, then clear. Go to that compile the Nagios code plugin. The command is sudo make done. Next, install the plugins. There's a final command for installation. Done. So we have successfully installed plugins 2.4.6. Okay. Then what is the next step? Verify Nagios configuration. So Nagios configuration, the service is started or not? That we need to check that. Verify the Nagios core configuration. So go to this location. Okay. Maybe this will give you an error. No. Zero warnings, zero errors. So checking objects, checked 8 services, one host, one group, one contact, one groups, 24 commands, 5 periods, 5 time periods. So everything is green. No issues here. No issues here. Then I need to check the starting of the services. Before checking the starting of the service, status. So now the status is dead. Now we need to start the services. Just change the command start. The services are started. Now you can check the status. Now the service is running fine. So, but this service is, I'm going to enable it on the startup. Every time if you reboot the server, the service will be stopped automatically. You need to make it enable. Okay, always in the startup. Even the machine is rebooted in the startup time, uh, the service will start automatically. So enable Nagio service to run at system startup. This is a command. Okay, so like a sudo systemctl enable Nagios. Done. That's it. Once again, you can check the status. Status is running fine. Okay, so verify Nagios configuration successfully completed. Now, how to access the how to access the web interface. How to access the web interface. HTTP IP address followed by Nagios. Copy here and paste it /Nagios. Now click sign in. So guys, previously Nagios plugins were not installed in the previous session. It's showing us a very blank screen and it'll be showing that now it was plugins are installed. Now full-fledged, the Nagios website is ready now. Nagios website is ready now. As of now, any questions here? As of now, any questions here?
రాజేష్ దీనికి పోర్ట్ నెంబర్స్ ఏమి లేవా?
Good question. Definitely port numbers are available. So right now we are accessing the Nagios port number default is HTTP port number 80. If you want to make it a secured communication, we can install the SSL certificate going forward, maybe in the same server. Can we convert it to HTTP to HTTP? That's a 443. And other communication ports are there. Is a management ports are HTTP through browser you are accessing. NRP Nagios plugin remote executions will be communicating to the Nagios core server to the Nagios client, right? There should be some different ports are there. If you want to know more about the port numbers, you can check the Nagios port numbers. You can check this. Nagios send the request node onto the port number 161, receives the results on the 162, and connecting the server by using the putty, right? 22, and managing the port number with the HTTPS, right? That's a HTTP. These are the main port numbers are required. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay. So this is a Nagios ports configuration. I will inform to Vanilla to share with you guys. Hmm. Any other question?
Rajesh, why they're calling core Nagios core
Main server, main server.
main server? Okay.
Uh, and another thing is this is completely installing on the Linux operating system, right? Okay. Maybe one of the reason maybe it'll telling that core. So core means completely command line interface server is there. Maybe I thought that one of the name like that. Otherwise, it's a main server where we can pull all the data about the monitoring information. Maybe we can consider that's one of the reason. I'm thinking. Okay, my suspicion is that.
Grafana also same features in Nagios.
Same features means yes, similar features, not same, similar. Okay, plus or minus. Uh, if you're asking me which one is a latest means and as per the current trend, Grafana.
Yeah, yes, Rajesh. Everywhere they're asking Grafana.
Yeah, no worries. I'll teach that in this program. Don't worry.
Oh, okay,
Two monitoring tools have it teach. Don't worry.
okay.
Correct. So I hope everyone is clear accessing of Nagios web interface server after installing the plugins successfully. So in the next video, so we will talk about add remote host to the Nagios server, and we will be start monitoring the server performance. Okay, thank you.